Welcome to the world of machine embroidery. Introducing the Designio DZ820E embroidery-only machine, one of 6 machines in the new Designio series from Brother, designed for the designer in you. Offering an expansive 5x7 embroidery area, the DZ820E gives you the flexibility to embroider large designs easily. With 136 easy-to-find built-in designs and a built-in USB port, embroidery designs are always easily available. The DZ820E is also compatible with iBroidery.com, where you'll find over 5,000 designs for individual purchase. There's so much more at iBroidery.com. The DZ820E comes with free phone and online technical support, plus a 25-year limited parts warranty, and it's ROHS compliant. Included in the box is a second set of embroidery hoops. The DZ820E comes with an embroidery starter kit that includes 6 spools of high-quality embroidery thread, a pack of fabric stabilizer, extra bobbins, high-quality steel embroidery scissors, plus more. Loading the bobbin and threading the machine is easy, and if you forget a step, the DZ820E has built-in tutorials you can watch on the touchscreen LCD display. Simply follow the thread path, and with the push of a lever, the DZ820E threads the needle for you. The DZ820E is designed for the designer in you so you can enjoy adding embellishment to clothing and accessories that truly match your style, offering ease of use and flexibility at affordable prices. With the DZ820E, you'll have virtually everything you need to start embroidering right away.
Welcome to the world of affordable embroidery with the Brother PE540D, our most affordable embroidery-only machine ever. Backed by our lifetime technical support, the PE540D is packed with wonderful features usually found on more expensive models that help make embroidery fun and easy. Like 100 built-in designs, including 35 built-in Disney designs, plus the ability to connect to more designs from your computer and exclusive access to more than 5,000 designs on iBroidery.com, as well as from third-party sites. A big 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area to add character and characters to just about anything. A bright, easy-to-use touchscreen. 120 built-in pattern combinations to frame your embroidery masterpieces. An advanced needle threading system. Just one push of a lever does it. And a fast 400 stitch per minute embroidery speed, so you can make more magic in less time. What kind of magic? The magic of dozens of built-in Disney embroidery designs. So unlock that magic right out of the box, right now, with the Brother PE540D embroidery-only machine.